With Gravity Forms 2.7, creating a form has never been easier thanks to a wide array of built-in templates you can customize and use on your WordPress site. Within your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to the Forms menu and select New Form. You will then be presented with an array of form templates that you can use on your site for free. You'll also be given the option to create a blank form if you'd prefer. I'm going to demonstrate customizing the Stripe checkout form template for this video. When selecting a template, you'll have the option to preview the form if needed. Once I select Use Template, I'll need to enter a title for this form and, optionally, a form description. I'll then be presented with a fully customizable form that I can edit to suit my needs using the form editor. Please note, to use this template, you will need to integrate your site with Stripe using the Stripe add-on. You will also need to create a Stripe feed for this form. Be sure to check out the video linked in the description for a guide on getting started with the Stripe add-on. I'm going to use the field settings to customize the email field and enable email confirmation. I'll also add a phone field to this form and adjust the field size. Once you've customized the form to your liking, be sure to save your changes. You can then use the Embed button to add your form to a page or post directly within the form editor. And that's all there is to it. With form templates, you can create beautiful, fully customizable forms in no time at all. For more Gravity Forms guides and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching.